Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Essence-CNIHGCUP. Hello to those of you who are new, and those of you who are returning subscribers. Thank you for staying loyal and continuing to watch my videos. Only go up from here, guys. Anyways, today we are doing yet another BOXYCHARM video. Wow, that's all the way over there. BOXYCHARM video. As you can see, the box looks a little slimmer than the previous months, but nonetheless, still got some really good products in here, and I cannot wait to share them with you guys. I will also link down below my code for BOXYCHARM. I don't get like money back or anything like that, but I do get charms, and it's like charms you can use in their charm store. But you know, up to you. I'll link the code, and if you sign up with BOXYCHARM, you can definitely use my code. And I'll have all that information down below, but this is the box for this month, and like I said, I'm excited to share it with you guys. If you're interested in checking out how I got this look and to see the different products that I got this month, then definitely keep on watching. So the first thing I want to start off with is my eyes. So I'm going to be working with Protege eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this, and it has like 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. So I would think that you know, this top row can kind of go together and this bottom row can go together, and then this shimmer shade can go with this top row, and this shimmer shade right here can go with these, kind of something like that. I think I'm going to be playing with the browns today, only because the last BOXYCHARM video I did, I kind of like did like a burgundy reddish kind of look. So we're going to be playing with the brown one, the bottom row today. Now to tell you a little bit about the palette, because every BOXYCHARM box comes with a little pamphlet of some sort. This kind of looks more like a postcard, but it's not a postcard, and it tells you everything about all of the products, price points, etc. This month's theme, I guess, is "'Tis the Sea Sun." C as in S-E-A, and it just looks like that. Well, it says "'Tis the Season 4," and then you flip it over and it has all the products. I think that's kind of cool. But this is the palette, which is the Protege palette, and it's by Suva Beauty, if I'm not mistaken how to say that. It's a new Protege palette. It's a versatile warm and cool tone palette featuring 6 highly pigmented, shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. Okay, so it does have highlighters in here. So I'm gonna assume that Era and Theory on the 2 sides are the highlighters, and then these are the shades. So I think I'm gonna start by putting Conscious, this dark brown shade right here, into my crease and on my lid, and kind of just build that color up. First, let's just start in our crease area. I'm just using this really tiny brush that I got in the BOXYCHARM kit last month, and I wasn't a fan of the brushes, but honestly, this is probably like my favorite brush. It helps me like get so precise in my crease, and I just love it. So I did switch over brushes, and I'm using this e.l.f. double dual-ended brush, and this side is what's called the dual-ended eye brush, and it doesn't have a name for each side. But anyways, I'm using the big fluffier side because I feel like I can get more product on it and work it a little better into my crease and everything. This shade seems really pigmented, and I really like that, but it's also not too pigmented to where it's not blending and all that jazz. It's looking really pretty. Kind of looks like it has like a reddish undertone almost. So now I'm just going to take this clean MAC 224 SE brush, and I'm just going to blend out the shadows a little bit more. That way they're just like seamless and not patchy or anything like that. And as you can see, like I have a little bit of lid space that doesn't have any shadow on it, and that is basically what I want, because I'm going to put this next shade, Balance, which is like a orange coppery glitter shimmer shade almost. I don't know how shimmery it is, So we're gonna see when we apply it to the lid, but we're gonna put that on the lid part. This is Balance right here. And then I'm gonna take this Morphe M421. Oh my gosh, my ear just, look guys, my ear came off. Okay, we're back in action. So again, I'm gonna take Balance and I'm going to put this on my lid. And I did not tell you guys the price point for this palette, but it is $34. That's the retail value for it. So I just kind of like packed it on that empty space. And that looks beautiful. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side. And if you ask me, the pigment on the lid is like the same as the pan. So exactly how it looks in the pan is exactly how it's coming off on my lid, and I like that because it's basically true to color. I could just stop there, but I am going to go back in with the littler brush, the smaller brush I should say. That sounded like better English. Go back into Conscious just a little bit, and then go around that shimmer shade. Like so. Just lightly. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to smudge just a little bit of that brown shade on the bottom. And in my inner corner, I'm going to take that highlight Era in the palette. So this one right here. It's like a lighter gold, I guess, kind of highlight. And I need a different brush. We're going to also use another brush from last month's BOXYCHARM. Just to get, it looks very faint. That in our inner corner. It's very faint. I'm not crazy about this highlight. It's kind of like you can't really see it, to be honest. It's hard to see. And I'm like swirling my brush in the pan. And still, I mean it's there, but it's light. I guess when you don't really want like a strong inner corner highlight pop kind of thing going on, you could use this one. So that's all for the eyes, and this is what I just came up with on the spot, literally. And I like it. I love this eyeshadow palette, honestly. Like, those brown shades are really pretty. That orange on top of the brown is just like perfect. I really like it. It's definitely me. So for our next item, it is the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. And this is the cover of it. And then you open it up and it has 2 highlights and 1 blush, I believe. Or maybe you can use this one as a blush. Not really sure. Let's see. Does it tell me? Does it tell me? It tells the ingredients of each on the back, but it doesn't say what's blush, what's highlight. So, in my opinion, I could use this as a highlight, these 2 as a blush, or these 2 as highlights, this one as a blush. You know. So for today, we're gonna use Havana Nights in the middle for our blush, and it's just gonna be on a little blush brush, and then just apply that. I like to tap it on first, like all my, ooh, wow, that went on strong and pigmented. I also like to put it on my nose, and then I like to go back and forth like this. It's a really pretty and pigmented blush. Now we are going to use City Lights, which is the more golden highlight, and we're going to apply that. But before we do, I just want to spray my face real quick. So I'm just going to use some of this Maria Badescu spray that I have. Spray my face, and then go in with the highlight. here for the highlight, that's for sure. Definitely here for the highlight. I'm gonna put a little bit underneath my brow bone. Doesn't do a lot, but it gives a little something. And then on my cheeks. So let me tell you guys about this palette, since I just straight up used it and didn't even say anything. So this is an exclusive launch from BOXYCHARM. So it contains 3, what they say, buttery shades that blend seamlessly on the skin for a natural glowing finish. This palette offers 2 blushes and 1 highlighter, and is especially formulated to cover all skin tones and types. Okay, so the highlight I used was obviously the highlight, and then these other 2 shades right here are actually blush shades. So this is not a highlight. That clarified that for me. And the price point of this palette is $26. Finally, for our lip, I have 2 things that came in the box this month. This first one is this lip liner. It is Bodyography Heatherberry Lip Pencil, and I'm assuming Heatherberry is the shade. And for this pencil, it says that it's vegan, cruelty-free, antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. It says it's smooth yet long wearing. It glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. This has a price point of $12. And this lip pencil right here, this is the Tarte Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint, and this retails for $20. And this is a sheer lip gloss infused with shimmering glitters and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish. The reflective glitter gloss can stand alone or as a lip topper, giving your lips a fuller look. The sunflower seed wax and mineral pigment coat soothes and softens the lips. And if I didn't say, it does again have a price point of $20. It's like this, but they said it's sheer, so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna line my lips with this lip pencil and then probably fill them in, to be honest. And then take this gloss off. And then go over it with the lip paint. Pink, kind of. See? Actually, it's a really pretty shade. And sometimes I just wear lip liner. So I felt like this will definitely be a color that I would wear alone. I really like this pencil. It's a nice pencil. Okay, and then for the lip paint, in Insta-Famous, it has like this little applicator, and not a lot comes out of the tube. Oh, this is really, really shiny. Okay. Smells good. Reminds me of something. This lip is really pretty. I like the lip pencil and I like the lip gloss. I'm not mad at either one of them, but I don't think that it's the perfect match for this eye look. But outside of that, like just looking at the lip itself, it's a really pretty sheer yet pigmented lip because of the lip pencil that I used underneath the sheer gloss. Okay, so I took the lip off because it didn't match, and you know, I gotta go somewhere. So moving on, the last product that I received, which I'm not using today, is this Cosmedix. I do not know how to say that. Detox activated charcoal mask, and this mask is detoxifying your pores from daily grime. With this mask, improves the brightness of your skin, while the activated charcoal and clay draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. And this mask is $30, you guys. And I have not used yet still that mask from the previous month. I think it might have been October's box, I'm not really sure, or last month. But that black mask from before I have not used, and obviously I haven't used this one, but I definitely will be doing a mask today because I've been slacking on my mask game. So I'll try. I think I want to try this one out more than I want to try the other one out, but we will see. And I will use them and update you guys in, you know, future videos on those products. As far as products go that I received from previous month boxes, to be honest, I have not. Well, actually, I have used the palette from last month once, but other than that, I have not touched any of the other things. It's not something that I use on a daily, but I feel like this box by far was a good way to end the year because I'm really, really happy with the way this makeup look turned out with all of the products that they sent me. Like, I am truly happy with everything in this box. There's not one thing that I don't like, not really sure about, don't really like. There's not one thing. Like, I literally like every single thing. So thank you, BOXYCHARM, and all I have to say is you guys definitely ended the year with a bang. So I didn't think I was going to be crazy about anything that came this month, honestly, considering I got my box late and I really wanted to get this video out for you guys earlier before my 12 days of Christmas started, but I couldn't do that. I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you missed my 12 days of Christmas series and you're still in the Christmas spirit and you still want to watch it, all the videos will be linked in the description down below, so you can check out any day you want to, whenever you want to. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn the bell notification on because I do upload every Wednesday and Sunday. And I will see you guys in the next video or vlog, whichever one comes first. Bye, guys.